How to get someone off of your best friend list on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can remove or get someone off of your best friend list on Snapchat app. Now if you open Snapchat, you'll get an interface like this. Simply head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and here scroll down below here and head into my friends option from friends here. If you head into my friends, you'll find your best friends here. Now, there is no any way that you can remove someone from your best friend list on Snapchat. However, best friend are showed up here on the number of interactions that you make with someone on Snapchat. The more you send snaps, the more you send messages and interact with them, they'll be shown on your best friend list. If you want to get someone off of your best friend list, what you want to do is you can either unfriend them, you can either block them, or if you don't want to do the other way is you can unfriend them and add them friend back again, or this will remove your streak as well. So if you don't want to do it without removing your streak, what you want to do is you want to interact less with them, stop texting them or sending chats, and then send snaps only once a day, and this might help you get them off your best friend list. So this way you can get someone off of your best friend list. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.